Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Natalie. Today's video is going to be a home decor haul. I recently went to Ikea and you guys already know how much I love Ikea. I've been wanting to revamp my room for a really long time, ever since I've moved to this apartment. I have a year and a half already here, so this setup is getting a little old, so I decided to buy a few new things to revamp and renew my room. By the way, if my voice sounds a little weird, I am getting sick, so let's just move past it. Also, there's so much noise outside. And in front of my apartment, they're remodeling an apartment, so if you hear that, that's what's going on, all right? That being said, without further ado, let's jump right into the haul. Let's begin with this little guy right here, which is not that little. I ended up getting the Boha. I am most likely going to be pronouncing every name wrong, just FYI. But this is a pendant light. I am hoping to place it right above like this painting, and hopefully it works out because it's super cute. It's this woven material, which I love. I'm trying to incorporate more like wood things in here. I know this is not wood, but you guys know. I'm just trying to incorporate more browns in my space. That being said, talking about like woven and wood stuff, I got these two little baskets which are new in their collection. This one is their this name right here, which I'll place right there, but it's just a regular basket that you can decor and place things in here to hide the mess. I'm going to be placing this in my bookshelf, which by the way, I ended up ordering 3 big items that I'll be showing in my separate video where I'll show you guys how I actually revamp my room and remodel it. So I got the mom dresser, I also got a bookshelf and a mirror. So stay tuned for that. But this in particular I got to place in the bookshelf and hopefully store some things in here. So that's that. Like I've mentioned endless of times, I live in a studio, and the way that I personally divided my room in a studio was with curtains and Ikea's like rod to divide with curtains. So I ended up getting new curtains. These are a brown or like a creamy tone, and the name is Billboard. These come with 2 inside, so I ended up getting another one because I needed 4, and I can't wait to like just continue to add things to the room. I also wanted to get a new duvet cover since the one that I have is really winter-esque and I'm trying to move into like winter to spring. So of course I had to get a white one because that's personally my taste when it comes to duvet, or like anything on my bed, I like it to be white. So I got this one, which is a beautiful kind of like, it has some faint stripes and the name is not Jasmine, but in my opinion this looks super luxe and expensive, so I had to get it. I don't know if you could see back there, but I have 2 26 by 26 pillows, and I decided to get I hope 2 of these because that would be lovely. All right. I decided to get 2 pillow covers. These are like fluffy pillow covers for the big ones back there, and that's what these look like. They're the Gold Laka ones. Then I got a regular Decor pillow. This one is the 20 by 21, so I'll be replacing that brown one with a lighter cream, kind of like this color I guess, and hopefully it matches well with the curtains as well. You guys are always asking me about my white sheets, and Ikea honestly carries one of the best sheets and they're super inexpensive. So I ended up getting this one, which is somewhat of an off-white blanket sheets for your bed. This one in particular is the Dafla, I believe, but I just really love the material and it's only $20 for the full to queen size. For the curtain rods that I have to divide my room, I ended up getting 2 N little like adjustments because I am not gonna lie, I did place them wrong, and now I'm going to fix it with another like N piece. That's the one thing I love about Ikea. Like if something goes wrong, you can go back and just get that one particular piece and fix it, you know? I mean, realistically speaking, that was my fault because I placed it wrong, but yeah. Got 2 end pieces for the curtain rods. For decor, you guys know I love getting plants at Ikea. Unfortunately, I didn't get any plants this time around because I already have so many plants in this apartment and I have to start getting ready for spring and making more space. So for now, I didn't get any plants, but I did get these 2 little woven containers, planters for my side table plants. So, you know, just to add to my little woven collection, as you can see right here. Not room related, but I still feel like I wanted to share with you guys. These are just little bowls, and I believe they were only $2.99 or less, not even kidding. So I ended up getting two. These are perfect for salad bowls and just simple. Another non-room related, I ended up getting another picker-upper because again, these are super inexpensive and they come in handy. So love it, you know, just simple picker-upper situation. For my curtain rods, I ended up getting these two little like end balls. I am not sure if they're going to fit where I have it in my room because it's so close to the wall. So I don't know if this is even going to work, but hopefully it does because it really does add a nice touch and like a more elegant, expensive look. So yeah, fingers crossed that this fits nicely in the rod. Almost done here. I was looking for two like regular side rugs for my bed. They have so many cute ones, but I ended up getting this one, which is a light beige one, and it has these little fringes at the end. So I ended up getting two of these. So I got a couple smart home stuff from Ikea, which I am so surprised with and like in love with. Eric was over the moon with the speaker one, so I ended up getting this little shelf speaker. It's a Sonos shelf speaker, which I mean, first of all, I've seen these as nightstands or side tables for your couches. I think I'm going to be placing it above my TV where I have an actual shelf and just replace that with this one. So I got the white one. They also come in black, I believe. And yeah, it's just like a really awesome speaker. Eric was going crazy testing out the volume because it's honestly impressive. And then I got the stand for it so we can place it. So it's really simple to install to your wall. Also from the Ikea Home Smart, we got some light bulbs. These are smart light bulbs. It comes with a little controller here. I'm not sure exactly what this one is for, but we'll let you guys know in an upcoming video or IG stories. So make sure to follow me there in case you guys want to know a little bit more about the Ikea Home Smart collection. And then I also got two side tables phone chargers, which is so amazing. You basically just place it on top of this and it charges your phone. So I got two for both of my side tables, one for Eric, one for me. They also have one that's a little bit wider and bigger where you can put more things to charge at a time. But at the store that I went to, they were sold out, so I just got the small ones. Last but very not least, this probably doesn't even count, but I personally got their reusable bags because finally in New York City they are removing plastic bags from supermarkets, and I figured having more of these is going to come in handy so I don't have to like actually go out and purchase some. And these are just $1 each or $1.29 I think. But yeah, that was pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this super quick Ikea haul. I will be linking everything down below. Make sure to stay tuned for the upcoming revamping my room video because that's coming really soon. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Beauty thanks to, oh my god, why can't I show it? Oh,